When it's Sarah's turn, Sarah picks the ball. Go ahead, Sarah. Yay, Sarah!
That's not fair. Let me see all the time.
He doesn't even wait to see what he knocks down. Look, let's see how many pins you got. It's nice in the middle. Woo! I said we can go right together, didn't I?